In today's video, I will be showing you how to order on SHEIN using cash on delivery. I will keep this quick because the process is actually very simple. So first thing first, open the SHEIN mobile app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, browse and choose the item you want to buy. For example, I will select this t-shirt here. Tap on the item, choose the color you want, select your size, and then tap add to cart. After adding your item, tap on the cart icon at the top of the screen. Make sure all the items you want to purchase are selected and tap checkout. At this stage, you will need to enter your shipping address and fill in your delivery details if you haven't already. Now scroll down to the payment section. Here you will see multiple payment options like credit or debit card, PayPal, and other. But the most important option we are looking for is cash on delivery. If cash on delivery appears here, simply select it and continue with your order. Now keep in mind cash on delivery availability depends on your country or region. For example, in my country or in countries like Philippines, cash on delivery is supported on SHEIN. However, in some regions like in my country, it's not available. So if you don't see cash on delivery, there's no way to enable it manually. It only appears if SHEIN supports it in your location and for your delivery address. So once everything looks good, confirm your order and you're all set. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.